Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Just a quick update. I wanted to just update you guys on GameStop. I did end up buying around, I think like $4,000, somewhere around this 20 range here. Um, so somewhere like here, I think Friday is when I bought it. I bought $30 contracts for about 3 weeks out, and so far right now, I think my target right now is somewhere between 27 and around $35, and that's more of a historical target based off of certain things that we've done before. We've always ran the equivalent of like $10 from lows, right? So at these lows we were at like 20, we are at 15. So I'm guessing somewhere minimum we should hit at least $25 sometime this week or next week. Within the next month or two, we could actually go even higher, right? So this week, next week, or this week, I'm more so looking at a like 25 to like 28. And then sometime within the next 30 days, we might actually push towards $35. So just a quick update. What I think is going on with GameStop. We did just break highs of yesterday, which is pretty cool. So far right now, like I said, I do think we are headed somewhere between 28 and 25. And then if possibly maybe in the next month, maybe a little bit longer, I will be looking for like a $35 GME. Maybe, right? Maybe. But for right now, Target is somewhere in this range between 25 and like 27, $28 within the next week or two. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.